morning, guys, and welcome to my morning routine made possible by John Frieda Frizz Ease, who is a sponsor for today's video. The very first thing I do is get up and make my bed. I find that doing this task right away when I wake up really helps kickstart my day.
Is it a dog or a bear? It's a dog?
And then I'll head over to my washroom to brush my teeth and take a shower.
Make it look cute. Make it look aesthetic. This is the reality of a morning routine. You're getting me wet.
Okay. Maybe close it a little. I usually try not to blow dry my hair, so while it's still wet, I like to spray the Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner from the John Frieda Frizz Ease collection, which is infused with essential vitamins such as vitamin A, E, and C, along with green tea extracts and hydrating moisture agents. I have pretty thick and frizzy hair, so this product really helps mitigate the frizz and conditions my hair. And after I comb through and part my hair, I'll take the John Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum to further tame and smoothen my hair. And then I'll take my favorite moisturizer and just moisturize away. So while waiting for my hair to air dry, I like to make a light breakfast as well as do my morning devotions and make some coffee.
So plain.
A simple woman.
Wasn't aesthetic enough.
Oh my.
Are you actually highlighting something?
Yeah, I'm reading it. After I'm done reading, I go back upstairs to do my makeup.
This is real life. Can you show me that beauty sponge? Oh.
Okay, that's really disgusting.
Do you still use that thing?
I do.
Richie,
I bought
I have
another
questions.
one, but it doesn't work as good.
I'm gonna buy you one today.
Today I'm going to be doing a quick everyday makeup look, and if you'd like to see an in-depth tutorial, definitely check out my Get Ready With Me video that we filmed a while back.
Daddy long legs. I mean, lanky lashes. Where did that mirror come from? That wasn't there. Do you actually move it? Like,
No.
no?
It's mostly...
So this is just for the video?
Yeah, you know. Once my hair is air dried, I will straighten my hair for an everyday sleek look. The John Frieda Frizz Ease leave-in conditioner I used earlier actually also acts as a heat protectant. Once again, thank you to John Frieda for sponsoring today's video. The last product I'll be using to finish up my look is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream infused with avocado oil to smooth flyaways instantly and give it a flawless, shiny finish. And once I'm done my hair and makeup, I will pick my outfit of the day and head out. See you later. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Is that it? Is that really gonna be in there?
I don't know, I guess so. Okay, bye. Just leave. Just leave.
Okay, bye.
I will see you later. You're actually going somewhere.
I am.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Let's do that again. My knees look weird.
Okay, go. So you have a cushion
For my butt.
for your butt. 7, go down the stairs, go down the stairs, go down the stairs, go down the stop.